Hiya, it's Helen again from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing a Christmassy snowman cupcake. Roll out your white modelling paste until it's about 2mm thick. Then take your scone cutter and use the third one in. Once it's rolled out nice and thin, use the straight edge of your scone cutter to cut 2 circles out and then mould it around the foam ball very gently. To make the snowman's heart, I've mixed some kiwi sugar flare with some green sugar splash to the paste to get the finished look. Roll out your green modelling paste until it's about 2mm thick. Using the Knitting Effect stencil, place it on top of your modelling paste and apply pressure with your rolling pin. Then grab the same scone cutters and cut out 2 circles. Cut out 2 half moons, one thick for the hat and one thin for the cap brow. Then turn the paste over using the edible glue to stick it down. Apply the edible glue to the brow in the same way, sticking it on the rim in between the face and the hat. Roll a small piece of fondant into a ball, apply the glue and stick it to the hat. Using the cocktail stick, ruffle it up to obtain a lovely pom-pom look. Now pick up your ball tool and press 2 eye sockets. Using your cocktail stick, insert 6 holes for a nice smile. Now we're going to apply the edible glue to the eye sockets and the smile line. Insert the large black beads for the eyes and the small green beads for the lovely smile. To get the proper Christmas effect, I add a mini holly leaf at the top. To make it, I roll out a small amount of green modelling paste and press the holly plunger cutter to get the iconic 3-leaf shape. For the berries, press 3 holes in the centre using the back of your paintbrush. Then press down 3 tiny red sugar beads into their position. Roll out your orange paste into a cone and then pick up your knife and put 2 idents in each side. Now using the skin tone dust, apply it into the ident so it highlights the nose. Then use the edible glue to stick the nose down. Remember to curve the nose so it looks more realistic. Roll out your green modelling paste until about 2mm thick. Pop your impression mat on the paste and roll your rolling pin over. Now use your knife and cut the paste into 2cm strips. Now add the lines to obtain the lovely scarf tassel. Apply the edible glue to the back of the scarf and place it on your cupcake. To get the proper Christmas effect, I add a mini holly leaf at the top. To make it, I roll out a small amount of green modelling paste and press the holly plunger cutter to get the iconic 3-leaf shape. Using the back of your paintbrush, put 3 idents in the centre of the holly, then 2 idents for his buttons. Apply the edible glue using 3 red sugar beads for the berries and 2 black sugar beads for his cute little buttons. Roll out some brown modelling paste into a sausage with one end going to a point. To make the hand, split the arm with the knife as shown. Apply the glue to attach the arm, not forgetting to add the bending for his elbow. To get the lovely branch look, put some idents into the arm. Repeat this whole process again for his other arm. And here we have the lovely finished snowman cupcakes. If you're interested in more designs, Make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.